Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BCRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day, including the last 30 minutes right there, which is where the big nasty downwards move happened. And I'm not going to call this a pump and dump quite yet, but it's definitely knocking on the door of being considered a price action pump and dump. And I say price action because I'm not saying this is a pump and dump in the sense of the company is shady or being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm just making the comment based on how the prices acted. So from a price action perspective, knocking on the door of a pump and dump, and the key level going forward, and in my opinion at least, is right down here at $2.87. Why is $2.87 important? And I'm not saying this will occur, but just to kind of explain, the terminology I'm using. Let's say the price comes down at $2.87 and then just continues on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price quite literally right back to where it was. Or in other words, that would imply that the price has already made a great move to the upside. I mean, you got to give credit where credit's due. That was a fantastic move. But then to have the price all of a sudden go right back to where it started, that is the epitome of a price action pump and dump. But to be fair, that may not happen. So on the flip side of things, though, maybe the price comes down here, behaved in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Emphasis here on the big picture, because I get if you're some sort of day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you don't care about these levels. But assuming you do care about the big picture, well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there. You envision these as stair steps. And hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, which is a sign of a genuinely strong move. So maybe this was just some sort of faulty pullback here. But yeah, definitely a whole lot of people are going to be watching that 287, 285 mark going forward. Because like I said, from a very literal perspective, if the price drops below there, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.